Oh man, so Luna is breaking out from its pattern on the 1 hourly chart. It was in a descending pattern and we're breaking out to the upside exactly at the point where Bitcoin is showing some strength, finally bouncing off of the key level at 41,500. We're going to take a look at the charts. We're going to look at Bitcoin quickly. Then we're going to flick on over to Luna to see what is going on with the Luna chart. And as you can see, guys, if you watch my Phantom video just a couple of hours ago, which was posted, you will see that we said that Bitcoin really needs to pick up from here, needs to create higher lows. That's the key message from that video, is that Bitcoin needs to create higher lows. We cannot come back down here, right? That's not what we wanted to see. We managed to get the bounce from this region. Fantastic. Let's create higher lows, create higher highs, and then we can get out of this trouble and all our altcoins can start moving again. We know that we held up quite nicely from this level, finally at about 40,000 here, thanks to inflation hitting expectations, which was enough for the market to start turning slightly risk on. But I was worried about a dead cat bounce. I continue to remain worried until this point is good, that we can create a higher low, but I want to see a higher high come through as well. Okay, guys, we need a high above these, preferably above the body closes, but you got these wicks as well, so ideally you want to be at 44,500 before we're really out of the woods and really creating a proper higher high to get out of this this kind of ditch that we're in on Bitcoin. So really important to watch that. As you can see, a strong 4-hourly candle. If I show you the hourly candles, you can see how quickly we've managed to avoid this 41,600 level. Just got a good bounce from here and heading to the upside. This would flip our this close here on this hourly would flip our hourly bullish, which hopefully, if we can have a good rally over the next few hours, can post us a higher high at 44,500. That's what we want to see, guys. And if we can see that, that should open the doors for some of our favorite altcoins. And one of those right now, which is moving very impressively, is Luna. And what we can see here on Luna is, if I just show you here on the hourly chart, you can see here that we were in a downward channel. Okay, let me just get zoomed in here. And there you go. As you can see, we were in this downward channel. Okay, so we kind of were in this channel, rejected down from our EMA ribbon, picked up some support, but then we got sent back down, broke our EMA ribbon, so we were bearish here on the hourly, but now a good set of hourly candles is giving us that bounce back up, and we're breaking out from this downward trend, which is really good news here on Luna. Now, if we switch over to the 4-hourly Luna, just to kind of zoom out a little bit, we can see that on our 4-hourly, we've just had a nice retest of our EMA ribbon. So this is perfect technical analysis. This is what you want to see. You can see here from this point here, we flipped bearish on our 4-hourly. We saw the EMA ribbon act as resistance, sent us back down, act as resistance, but then we got the flip, right? We got the flip, we got above our EMA ribbon, and now we came back down for a retest. If we lost it, we would have flipped bearish again, but this 4-hourly candle right here is holding the EMA ribbon, and now we need to go post a higher high. We want to get to the top of the wedge here at $84, and then we can continue on upwards on Luna. Now, naturally, this is going to depend on Bitcoin continuing to move from strength to strength. We need Bitcoin to keep posting those higher lows and posting those higher highs and getting out of that rut. If we can get out of that rut, then some of our favorite altcoins, which we've been covering on this channel, like Cosmos, like Atom, like Phantom, like Luna, they can really start to get running. And we can see Luna, we're still quite a bit off our all-time highs. We had a really impressive run here all the way to 100 before Bitcoin started its bleed to the downside. And we tracked that on this channel. As you can see, we set these price targets a long time ago, guys. Before we even entered into this upward channel, we were setting these price targets. You could see our first price target was at 76, 79 on Luna. We met that quite comfortably. And then you can see my next targets for Luna is really for us to get to the Fibonacci level at 140. Now, obviously, there's a lot of work to do before we get there. We've got to recover here from this level, pick up some support from 77, which is about where we're at now on this 0.618 golden ratio here for Fibonacci. And then we need to bounce, create a new high past our all-time highs at 100, and then we can head on higher to our new price targets. But from a fundamental perspective, we know, again, that the narrative is focused on these layer one solutions, and Luna is one of those top layer one solutions right now. We know a lot of fundamental catalysts are working in the favor of Luna, and that is why it's still hotly chased after right now by a lot of the sophisticated money here in the crypto space. And if you look at the weekly chart, guys, just to zoom out even further, you can see how much of an impressive run we've been on here. On Luna, we teared straight through our first Fibonacci extension target of 76.9. We're just getting a slight retracement now. And like I said, even if we were to call off all the way down to our EMA ribbon, we're talking even through 56, even down to 45, to close bearish, Luna at this stage would have to be at $32. Okay, so we're almost more than 2.5 times safe here on the price of Luna from the point at which we'd flip bearish on our weekly. So this is just perfectly normal. Even if it were traced down, these are just buying opportunities. I know me for one, as soon as we get closer to our EMA ribbon on any weekly EMA ribbon, for me that is a great opportunity and a great tactic for me, not financial advice, to be buying my favorite conviction coins. Anytime you get closer to these kind of distances, these types of levels on your weekly extension EMA, those are always nice levels to be dip buying into these projects. So there you have it, guys. There is your quick update on Luna. Another great narrative layer one project. You guys have known I've been speaking about layer one solutions going into 2022 as being a hot narrative, and I don't see that narrative going anywhere anytime soon. We've understood that Ethereum is not, it's not capable of taking us to mass adoption on its own. Even ETH 2.0, it's not here yet. When it gets here, I'm of the belief that even then it's not enough. We're going to need a lot of competitive, good layer one solutions, such as Phantom, such as Luna, maybe Cardano, a bit of Solana in there. Let them all compete, and then it'll be survival of the fittest in terms of which ones are still here 10 years from now. And right now, that space is the right space to be investing in right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you appreciate this type of content and this blend between technicals and fundamentals, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. If you want to support this channel a little bit more, consider hitting the join button and becoming a member of this channel. If you become a member of this channel, not only are you supporting me, but you'll get access to the community thread where you'll be able to ask questions on your favorite coins, your cryptos, your portfolio, or any other questions you have. You can ask that as a priority over there. Also, guys, don't forget, link in the pinned comment will be the link to our free public Discord server. Head over into there, meet like-minded people, join the community. That's what this is all about. Build the community. Don't be a stranger. Speak to people. Learn. This is all about educating ourselves. The crypto space is new. There's a new crypto trader or investor born every single day, and I want this community to be the place they can come to safely without any pumps and dumps, without any this going to the moon, that going to moon. Just realistic, pragmatic investing with sensible approach, telling you what I see in the charts, telling you why I see it and what it means, and hopefully we can educate each other together in this community. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you